Welcome to this guided self-empowerment meditation for overcoming negativity and mastering life design. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position and remove any distractions from your surrounding space. First, close your eyes and take a deep and conscious, steady inhale through your nose as you peacefully count to 4. Once your lungs are full, hold the breath there, in retention, lungs full, and count to 4 once again. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, counting to 4 once more, and then, when your lungs are empty, hold that retention and count in your mind to 4 again. Repeat this deep breathing exercise 3 more times. Feel yourself becoming more relaxed and present with each 4 count, with each inhale and each mindful exhale. Between breaths, when you're holding your lungs full or empty, heighten your awareness. Maybe you notice sensations in your body, your heart beating with more presence, or possibly the sound of silence all around you in this beautiful moment that you've taken here for yourself. If you notice your mind wander or you lose your count, just smile to yourself. Forgive your mind for carrying you away and come back to the breath, to the peace, and to this presence. Once you're done the full cycle, just begin conscious breathing with no retention, coming in with a steady inhale and a mindful exhale cyclically over and over. Consider that every moment is a new opportunity, including this one, to choose what it means to you, to shift your focus and direct your thoughts in a more positive and empowering direction at any time, anywhere, in any place. We cannot control what happens to us, but we can control how we feel and how we react to all the things that happen. Just like we cannot control what people think of us, but we can control how we think of ourselves. And we, each of us, are powerful, in control, and have all that we need right here, right now. Every single day is simply a series of decisions, today included. This moment, you right here on this mat, breathing, inhaling, mindfully exhaling. This was a decision to empower yourself, to make today stronger and more vibrant, and to give yourself a gift of peace and alignment. And the outcome of this decision is beautiful because it will help you design your entire reality moving forward. Come back to your breath again. Inhale and exhale. Begin to repeat today's mantra in your mind. I am in control of my thoughts, my reactions, and my emotions. I am in control of my thoughts, my actions, and my emotions. I am in control of my thoughts, my actions, and my emotions. Continue on your own for the next few minutes repeating this mantra over and over in your head, considering the words, focusing on the breath. And if you lose your way and your focus, remember to smile again and pull yourself back towards the breath and begin the mantra once again with loving kindness. I am in control of my thoughts, my actions, and my emotions. Come back to your breath. Come back to your body. Come back to this present moment, allowing consciousness to stir once again and slowly release the mantra from your mind. As your day continues, or maybe your evening, remember this state that you're here in right now. Remember that within a few short moments and one active decision, you gifted yourself and arrived in all that you deserve: serenity, equanimity, peace, and empowerment. Because when the storms come, and they will, when the drama swirls around you, and your mind gets fixated on something or someone that it can't seem to let its grip go from, or simply when you feel like you just need a reminder, because we all forget from time to time, more often than not, that we, each of us, have the power to just exhale deeply, slowly, and come back to this moment, to this state of being, and this thought: I am in control of my thoughts, my actions, and my emotions. We are all in control of our lives at every given moment. Thank you for joining me here today in this beautiful moment of bliss and empowerment. It's exactly what you deserved. And I thank you for recognizing that and giving this meditation a beautiful new purpose. Namaste.